In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add 3D objects to your edits. To create a scene like this, first open Multilayer. Add a layer and choose 3D Object. Here you'll find free 3D objects, as well as packs that can be purchased. The easiest way to unlock them all is by purchasing a Pro subscription. In the Free Object section, choose the star. Next, let's add the 3D Mac. 3D object packs need to be downloaded before using them. Select an object in the pack to start downloading. Finally, add a photo. The 3D devices have masks that go along with them. Tap here to enable 3D mode. With the 3D star selected, go to the keyframe screen and press Options to show all layers. Use the slider to adjust the viewpoint, and this one to adjust the depth. Tap here to toggle between the size and depth sliders. Now position the photo over the Mac screen. Once everything is positioned, add a null layer and select all 3 layers. Now animate them as one. Tap here to add a graph. To turn on custom lighting, tap here. To learn more, check out the custom lighting tutorial. When finished, tap Create.